Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, something that I really enjoy taking is a probiotic. Now, I really need to take a probiotic. It really helps with digestion, really helps with your stomach, and easing some of that bloating and whatnot that you sometimes feel. So for me, this is a must-have. I like to take one every single day. Now, you might wonder why I like this one by Renew Life. We'll just take a look at the pill. It is so small. For me, I have a little bit of issue swallowing bigger pills sometimes. It can be a challenge for me. I've had this struggle all my life. But these pills are super small. They're nice and compact. You're still getting 30 billion live cultures with 12 probiotic strands. So you're still getting a lot of immune support, a lot of digestive support from all those cultures. But at the same time, the pill is very small, so it's very easy to swallow. I don't have any trouble. And therefore, when I don't have any trouble swallowing it, then I know it's something that I'm going to actually use and take every single day. So if you're looking for maybe a smaller probiotic pill to take, then I highly recommend these probiotics by Renew Life. Again, I'm John with the BTI, and that's my point of view.